I have a GE refrigerator, freezer on the bottom, 2 years old, been giving us trouble. Freezer works great, refrigerator unit does not. Went online, visited maybe 15 sites that told me how to replace the fan in the freezer compartment, which is located way back in there, which I did, had no effect. None of these websites mentioned that there is another fan inside the refrigerator, in the refrigerator section, that circulates air from the top freezing unit through the refrigerator. This is the fan. Comes right out of here. Comes right out of here. Simple, pull it in, pull it out. You can get a replacement online. Just get the proper numbers and go to the Nidec site. About 32 bucks. And for those of you that have been frustrated because all the instructions you got online didn't work, here's another possibility.